Hello my people, in this video we will see SWAGBUCKS earn money in Tamil. SWAGBUCKS is legitimate and popular rewards platform to earn extra money only part-time. You earn money points called SB SWAGBUCK points for completing simple tasks. 100 SB is equal to $1. You can redeem this point for cash by PayPal or as Amazon gift card. Ways to earn money on SWAGBUCKS: per service, share your opinion on products and services to earn SB. Per survey, playing games, download mobile games and reach specific levels to earn high value point rewards. Web searching, use the SWAGBUCKS search engine instead of Google to get random point drops daily. Cashback shopping, shop at popular online stores throughout the SWAGBUCKS portal to get 1% to 80% cashback. Daily polls trivia, answer the one-click daily poll or participate in live trivia games for quick bonus points. Referral, invite friends with your referral link to earn a lifetime 10% bonus of their total earnings. A step-by-step guide to get started. Sync up. Go to SWAGBUCKS official website and create a free account using your email address. Complete your profile, fill out your profile survey accurately with your age and interest to unlock more relevant services. Start tax. Select simple tax for user dashboard to begin accumulating points immediately for redeem rewards. Once you hit the minimum payout threshold, cash out by PayPal or choose your preferred gift card. And that's all. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time.